Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to sync the history in Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that, so worry not. Now let's simply look at how to sync the history. Initially, what you guys want to do is try to go to settings. Right here at the bottom of the screen, you will see a button like this called as More. Click on it. And once you guys do that, right next to search, you can see the settings button. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, as you guys can see, multiple options, but simply scroll down till you see something called as Sync Read History. And right here guys, this is it. Simply click on the Sync Reading History to Account button. Now something like this will pop up. Simply click on Sync Now. And guys, that is it. That's how you sync history in Webtoon. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. All you guys have to do is click on this button that says Sync and just click on Sync Now. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.